Traveling. An activity many people enjoy, but not something everyone has the opportunity to do. I've had the amazing privilege to be able to visit several different countries around the world. Each country I've visited abroad has taught me so much about not only other people, but myself as well. From Italy, Germany, and the Czech Republic, all the way to southern India, each of these locations has provided me with an appreciation for new things and experiences like no other. Each time I travel, whether it was traveling with my family for vacation or when I studied abroad in Florence, Italy, I couldn't help but feel comfortable in places where I should feel my most uncomfortable. Something about the fresh atmosphere of somewhere that I've never been or seen gives me an immense feeling of joy that I can hardly put into words. Meeting people from all around the world in places that I'd never expect truly excites me and makes my time traveling so much better. Traveling has provided me with the experience to see amazing things from history, like the Berlin Wall and ancient cathedrals. Be a part of cultural events like a Florentine football match, and local parades in small Italian towns. Get out of my comfort zone by singing karaoke in front of a bunch of foreign strangers. See the best sights like the Duomo in Florence, Italy. Literally jump off of a mountain to go paragliding, and take part in things I would have never thought possible, like attending a traditional Indian mehendi ceremony in which the bride and guests get henna applied before the wedding, dance in the streets of India for hours, and sing soccer chants with some random British friends we met in the streets of Prague at 2 a.m. Traveling has taught me to be open to any opportunity, to get out of my comfort zone, to be spontaneous, to meet new people, try new things, appreciate different cultures, and most of all, it's taught me how to live a happy life. I hope someday soon I'll be able to travel again and continue to grow and learn about all that this world has to offer.